Hello and welcome to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Today we're going to make a sloppy joe. First things first, I already heat up with this non-stick skillet. Does about over medium to medium high heat. Let's start with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to swirl that around. I'm going to be using 4 cloves of garlic has been already peeled and minced. You just want to light up the garlic. I'm also going to be using 2 medium yellow or white onions. Has been already chopped very through. This has been roughly chopped. Just want to saute very quickly. Just want to get very nice and softened. Alright, after the onions has been translucent with the garlic, we're going to throw in the lean ground beef. This is only 1 pound of lean ground beef. I'm going to brown it in and just want to break it. Make sure all the ground beef, the meat needs to cook thoroughly, no longer pink. Right, once the beef is just brown, I always use it, turn it back up on high heat. That I keep moving all the way around with the onions and garlic after it's been translucent. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of chili powder. I keep moving all the way around. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Just stir that evenly. You can smell this mustard really tangy. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire Sauce. I'm going to season up with 3/4 teaspoons of Kosher Salt. And just use it for the 3/4 teaspoons of ground black pepper. Now you can go ahead and reduce it back for either medium or medium-low heat. So let's put it here. I'm going to use with 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. And a 1/3 cup of beef broth. You can use water. I decided I can use this for the can wasting over. Just give that a little swirl. Don't want to waste that. Just keep it clean as I need for this swirling over. Pour it back in. And lastly, not least, 1 tablespoon of light or dark brown sugar has been already firmly packed. Just to sweeten up a little bit. And just going to melt this sugar in here. Just want to keep stirring all the way so all the sauce has been nice and thickened. And here's the sauce is almost thickened up. I just already turned it back up to medium. Make it work faster. After I've been reducing the low for a little heat at a time, and I watch really carefully, don't want to get too boiled. I was making sure to keep stirring all the way around while the sauce is getting almost thickened up. So once the sauce is thickened, I already turned the heat off. And we're going to spoon that right in with these for the hamburger buns. I'm going to use the one with the sesame seeds. Alright, let's sandwich that for sloppy joe. Now, if you have any leftover sauce of the sloppy joe, you can do that for own to cut it with the dress up with the pasta. Here's the sloppy joe that looks like this. And here's the finish, sloppy joes. Look how almost until 8 of those sandwiches, if I have so many of those sauces of the sloppy joes, any leftovers, I could coat it with the dress up with the pasta. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below. If you want to say something, make sure to view all videos you watch before sharing. Smash the like button, Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. As always, let's dig in.